Hey everyone, so we're still talking about BET88U. Okay, this app has been paying and is still paying for the longest time now. In my last video, a lot of you said that they don't understand me. They don't get to. Some of you say that you did not hear me. Okay, I'm here to repeat this video, but it is a practical video now so that most of you will understand what I meant. So, first of all, what I meant in that video is go and clear the cache and the storage of the browser that you are using. If you have created account before, log it out, clear the storage, the history and the cache of that browser. I don't know if you understand. If you have registered before, log out from that account, go to the browser, clear the cache and storage with the history. Alright, let's go and do the practical now. So if it is Chrome that you are using, you have to long press the app. Then you see app information up here. See it, app information up here. Click it. It will take you here. It will bring you here. Or better still, go back. Go to your settings. Look for your settings. So you go to your settings. Where is my settings? Go to your settings. You will see where they wrote apps. You understand? Click the apps. You click all apps, the first one. You see all your apps. Then look for your Chrome. You press the Chrome and you will come here. You see storage and cache. Click the storage and cache. Clear your cache. Clear your storage. Clear it. Clear all of them. You see? Let me refresh it. Let me clear all. You see? All of them are now 0B 0B. You understand? There is no information that you can get here because I've already cleared it. You understand? So you go back, use the link on my comment section or description and create another account. You understand? And create another account for yourself. Once you create it, they will give you one spin. You understand? They will give you one spin and you will come to this small spin here. You perform your tax. You understand? Perform your tax. Let me click it. You see? Perform your tax, share daily login, install app and join Telegram, which will give you one spin. One spin, and everything will be 5 spin. If you invite your friends, you will get more spin. Understand? If you spin one, it will give you 29,000 something. So, but I will advise you to leave it, accumulate like 8 to 10 spins, then you spin. And if you want to spin by 4 a.m. You understand? Spin by 4 a.m. So you spin. Make sure you wake up by 4 a.m. so that you can be able to spin. I forgot to put something. They updated their accounts yesterday, and this is what I saw. Which means for you to be lucky, you understand, you have to deposit. You have to deposit. You understand? You can deposit minimum of 1,000 naira. You get so they said friend deposit you get 3 spins. Friends betting you will be lucky, which means without deposit is probably that you might not get the money. You understand? So this is how to deposit your money. If you want to deposit, click here, wallet. You will see deposit. You put 1,000. If it is 1,000 you want to put, or 2,000. You understand? You click confirm. Sorry. Then you copy this account number that you are seeing here. Go and deposit 1,000. If it is open that you are using any account You come back. Once you send it, you come back and send and click I have sent, and click I have sent. Once you have clicked it, it will take you, I don't know, but it will tell you to wait or something, so that they will check the transaction. Once they have checked it, then you go back and refresh your account. You will see the money on your account. Then you can come back and play game. You can come back and play game if you want. Come back and play game. This lobby, click one game and start playing if you want to. So you continue with your spin. So you must deposit now at least 1,000 to be able to get that money. And you deposit 1,000 is not a bad idea. You understand? So that's it. 90% sure that you are going to earn. It will not end in what a pity. You understand me? It's 90% sure that you earn, and it will not end in what a pity. So, and also, if you are saying spin and you are trying to, as in, it will be doing you spin, spin, spin. These people are very smart. They will not say, hey, you are desperate for this money. So therefore, as you are pressing it, they will be giving you either 5 naira, 2 naira, or what a pity. Sometimes it will give you 1 naira. So that's why I advise you, accumulate it. As in, let it reach to 8 to 10 spin. Then early in the morning by 4, you wake up. When they are withdrawing money, you wake up and spin. There is no way you will not do it 2 or 3 times that you will not get the 30,000. You understand? I 60,000 yesterday. 30,000 on my first account and 30,000 on my second account. And this is exact strategy that I use. I believe that if you use it, it will work for you. Please, if it is your first time of coming across my page, subscribe, subscribe, like and comment, so that whenever I post my video, you'll be first to notify.